Ram has just released the most complete version of the 1500 in this nameplate's history, a lineup that pairs a range-extended plug-in hybrid with 690 miles of combined range, a resurrected performance legend carrying 777 supercharged horsepower, and a cabin that benchmarks the entire full-size segment. If you've been watching truck prices climb while the actual choices feel like they're getting narrower, the 2027 Ram 1500 is the direct answer to that frustration: power, efficiency, capability, and comfort. This lineup delivers all of it under the same nameplate, and the specs behind that claim are a lot harder to dismiss than most people expect. Ram 1500 REV Revolutionary Powertrain. The Ram 1500 REV is one of the most unusual powertrains to appear in a full-size truck in recent memory. It isn't a traditional plug-in hybrid, and it isn't a full EV. It's a purpose-built range-extended electric pickup, and the distinction matters. Anyone who's considering switching to an electric vehicle knows the hesitation that comes with it. The nearest fast charger is either too far away, too busy, or simply not there, and for a truck covering real distance, that's a deal-breaker. The REV is built specifically around that problem. A 3.6-liter V6 sits under the hood running as a dedicated generator, feeding electricity to separate front and rear electric motors that actually drive the truck. Combined output lands at 647 horsepower and 610 pound-feet of torque, with full all-wheel drive and no range anxiety attached. Pure electric range reaches 145 miles for daily driving, and with the V6 generator running, total range climbs to 690 miles. That's more than most full-size gas trucks manage on a single fill. A DC fast charger takes the 69.7 kilowatt-hour battery from 20 to 80% in about 45 minutes. Towing is rated at 14,000 pounds, which actually beats the standard 1500. The REV removes the last real objection to electrification for buyers who need genuine capability, but not every buyer is coming to the truck looking for efficiency. And what's up next is a completely different kind of conversation. TRX is back. Some trucks get discontinued and the market moves on. The TRX was not one of them. When Ram pulled it from the lineup, it left a gap that nothing in the segment, not even the Ford F-150 Raptor R, could fully close. For 2027, the TRX is back, and it's brought considerably more firepower. The foundation is the same supercharged 6.2-liter V8, but revised engine management and updated hardware from Ram's direct connection performance division pushed output to 777 horsepower and 680 pound-feet of torque. That's 75 more horses and 30 more pound-feet than the previous version. A 2.4-liter supercharger is part of the setup, and the claimed 0 to 60 time is 3.5 seconds. For reference, the 702 horsepower version needed 3.7 seconds in independent testing. The new number appears entirely plausible. Most performance trucks can handle straight-line speed just fine. What separates the serious ones is what happens when the road ends. Pushing a standard truck hard across broken terrain, sand, rock, or anything uneven at real speed reveals the limits of conventional suspension pretty quickly. That's exactly where a lot of performance pickups fall short. The TRX addresses that directly. Second-generation Bilstein Blackhawk IT2 adaptive shocks deliver 13 inches of front suspension travel and 14 inches at the rear, absorbing serious punishment without losing composure on pavement. 35-inch all-terrain tires wrap 18-inch wheels, and the solid rear axle works alongside an independent front suspension to handle whatever the terrain demands. This is a truck that can clear a dune and merge onto the highway without a second thought. Inside, the standard equipment list is substantial. Heated, ventilated, and massaging seats are standard for both rows. Carbon fiber trim runs through the cabin, and a 14.5-inch central touchscreen is paired with a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 10-inch head-up display. The 19-speaker Harman Kardon audio system delivers 900 watts through a 10-inch subwoofer. A 360-degree camera and dual wireless charging pads round out the package. Still, most buyers aren't going to spend six figures on a half-ton truck, and it turns out what's available between the REV and the TRX is just as carefully thought out. Comprehensive powertrain lineup. 5 distinct powertrains are available in the standard 1500, each aimed at a different set of priorities. And taken together, it's one of the most complete engine ranges in the segment. The base 3.6-liter V6 with 48-volt mild hybrid assistance produces 305 horsepower with EPA ratings of 20 miles per gallon city and 25 on the highway. The 5.7-liter Hemi Fiv8 returns with mild hybrid assistance, rated at 395 horsepower and hitting 60 in around 6.1 seconds, along with the exhaust note that a significant portion of buyers still come specifically for. Then there's the Hurricane. Ram's twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six comes in standard output, 420 horsepower and 469 pound-feet of torque, or high output, stepping up to 540 horsepower and 521 pound-feet, with a 0 to 60 time of around 4.5 seconds and a refinement level that genuinely rivals European sports sedans. All four engines pair with an 8-speed automatic with rear or four-wheel drive available throughout. One thing that ties the entire lineup together is the rear suspension. While domestic rivals still run leaf springs, the Ram 1500 uses coil springs as standard, and the difference in everyday ride quality is immediately noticeable. Optional air suspension adds adjustable ride height on top of that. 5 powertrains cover every scenario, but raw capability only goes so far, and where the 2027 Ram 1500 makes its most convincing argument is somewhere most truck buyers spend the majority of their time. Interior, class-leading. Ram has held the top position in full-size truck interior quality for several years, and the 2027 1500 isn't giving that up. The front section offers bucket seats or a fold-down bench, most trims include heated and ventilated leather seating, and the overall build quality sits clearly above the competition. Spending extended hours in a truck cab makes audio and technology quality matter more than most people admit before they experience it. A screen that lags or a system that sounds flat adds up across a long day in ways a good one never does. Ram's answer starts with a 12-inch touchscreen as standard and an optional 14.5-inch unit in upper trims, alongside an available 10.3-inch passenger side display. Audio runs from a 6-speaker bass arrangement up to a 23-speaker Klipsch system, with Meridian and Harman Kardon options in between. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and dual wireless charging pads are all included. Cargo beds measure 67.4 or 76.3 inches in length. The available Rambox system adds lockable, weatherproof storage built into the bedsides. Maximum tow capacity is 11,610 pounds, payload tops at 2,360 pounds, and the powertrain warranty runs 10 years or 100,000 miles, which is the longest coverage in the segment. That's the standard cabin. The upper trims take it considerably further than most truck buyers see coming. Next level luxury. The upper trims of the 2027 Ram 1500 push into territory most buyers don't expect from a pickup, and the result holds its own against premium SUVs without apology. Covering serious distance regularly makes seat quality and material feel less of a luxury and more of a practical consideration. The tungsten trim addresses that directly. Quilted leather throughout, a suede headliner, and 24-way adjustable front seats with massage are all standard equipment. At approximately $92,000, the tungsten compares favorably with premium European SUVs on materials, technology, and overall cabin experience. Not as an approximation, but as a direct comparison. The Laramie makes the strongest value case in the range. 8-way power adjustable front seats, heated and ventilated leather for both rows, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, power folding mirrors, and 22-inch aluminum wheels all come standard. The Hemi V8 is available here at no added cost, a combination worth noting. For anyone who assumed a premium truck still falls short of a dedicated luxury vehicle, the upper 1500 trims are worth spending time in. The gap is smaller than expected, and in some areas it isn't there at all. The only question remaining is what everything costs, and the answer is more straightforward than the lineup's depth might suggest. Release date and price. The 2027 Ram 1500 is heading to dealerships later this year, with TRX deliveries beginning in the second half of 2026. Base tradesman configurations start around $47,000, while the fully loaded tungsten sits at approximately $92,000. The REV runs from roughly $60,000 up to around $100,000. The TRX starts at $102,590, with a Bloodshot Night Edition, a two-tone red and black exterior with hand-painted detailing, going higher still. The 2027 Ram 1500 covers more ground than any previous version of this truck. The REV delivers 647 horsepower, 690 miles of combined range, and 14,000 pounds of towing capacity with no range anxiety. The TRX returns with 777 supercharged horsepower, 3.5-second acceleration, and off-road hardware that backs every number up. The standard lineup fills the space between them with 5 powertrain options, a class-leading cabin, a 10-year powertrain warranty, and upper trims that match premium SUVs on interior quality. From $47,000 to over $100,000, there's a version here built around almost any priority, and very few trucks in this class can honestly say the same. But don't think that Ram is the only one bringing radical changes under the hood. Ford is doing the same, but it goes in a completely different direction by adding a genuine heavy-duty engine to the F-150 lineup, which you can check out in our next video. Godzilla is ready to debut in the world's most popular truck, and the expectations are huge.